think any guy wouldn't that good. Anything would have been better if it was a single roof.
Oh, look at that when I'm videoing it. Look at the video of it.
That looks sick.
Come and have a look.
I can see it new.
How good's that look?
Widescreen.
Yeah.
We've lost the flow though.
Yeah, but that still looks pretty good.
That's just a nice little campfire.
Oh, look at that. It's all going to just collapse soon.
Sit back and enjoy.
Oh, we got like the couple's seat, mate.
Sorry.
That's alright. Yeah, look at that. I zoomed in a bit. I zoomed right in.
It was worth the effort of throwing out of 10.
Look at that. 4 times. Zoomed in.
4 times. It's better than 2 times now.
Yeah, way better. That's great.
It's going to be awesome for your next horror movie you make.
Mate, I'm gonna put this on
Looks like a
YouTube.
house.
It does, doesn't it?
Looks like a house.
Yeah, this could go in our movie.
Yeah. Sure, just need to kill
That
lovely ladies that are
this
around.
house was full of zombies.
Zombie dog! You must burn!
Whoa! Oh, hang on. Whoa! Look at these. Look at Lily through the camera. She looks like a zombie dog.
You know shit. She's
Really?
crazy, man. She's psycho. Yeah. How's your house going
Back
now?
to the fire.
No.
Oh, look.
You
Prowling
know,
around. Oh, look at that dog there prowling. It's a zombie dog. Zombie shih tzu.
I should have pulled out a big dog rescue. Should know that.
What are you
Pulled her
doing?
from the burning.
Quick, go. Look, at least she looks like she's behind in the fire. Oh.
No. That'd be
Marley's, yeah,
weird.
there he is. Yep, no, yep, no, fine.
Oh,
Wait till the roof comes down, mate.
wait till the roof comes down. The roof's coming down.
No, not yet.
I should have saved Marley from the burning
Yeah, that would have been hilarious.
and gave her mouth to mouth. Right in front of the flames. Just for YouTube. That'd have been one.